Do not stand there. Everybody make silence. Everybody make silence. Now we are learning the dialogues. So I request to everybody, if there is the birthday of our friend, there is birthday of our friend, and we want to go to the birthday party. On this occasion, how we can make the dialogue? It means what will be the communication between two friends on birthday party or birthday invitation. So that we want to learn today. We want to make dialogues between two friends on the birthday of other friend. Understand? There is a birthday of your friend. There is a birthday of your friend, and the friend, it means the birthday boy. The birthday boy, he is not there. But the communication between you and your other friend, both you are communicating with each other. Now, what will be or how will be the conversation between you and your friend? Suppose there is Raghav and Shripad. There is Raghav and there is Shripad. Then, how would be the dialogues between two friends? Raghav, what he will say? He will say to the Shripad, "Hello Shripad, how are you?" He will say, Shripad will say, "I'm fine." Then Raghav will ask to the Shripad, what he will ask? Do you have invitation of his birthday party? Then Shripad will ask, whose birthday party? Whose birthday is there? I don't know. Is there a birthday of our friend? Then Raghav will say, yeah, don't you know? There is Pari's birthday. Then Shripad, oh yeah, really? I don't know her birthday. Then Raghav will say, you are forgetting. I know yesterday Pari had given you the invitation card for birthday party and you forgetting. Then Shripad will say, sorry yaar. Then Shripad will ask to the Raghav now. What he will ask? Then what will give her gift? A pen, a book, novel or English grammar book. What will give her gift? Raghav will say, I don't have any idea. Let me ask to Nandan for giving a gift. Let's we ask to Nandan. Then they both will go to the Nandan, and then Nandan is there. Then Nandan, while he see to both, then he will, hey, hi, where are you going? Then both will say, I'm going to you only. We want idea from you. So that's why we have come here. Then Nandan, what the idea all about? What you are asking? Then Shripad will say to Nandan, don't you know the birthday of Pari? Nandan will say, yeah, I know. Then Shripad will ask, then what we can give her a gift? Nandan will say, I don't know about you people. I have taken a very great gift for Pari. So you decide yourself. Then Prahlad will say, oh my God, then how I can take? Then Prahlad and Raghav, then they will decide. Let's we go to the Omkar for asking what his view is. Then they goes. Then they go. Then Omkar is there. Then they ask to Omkar. Omkar will say, let's we take something for gift to her. But I don't have any idea, Omkar will say. Like this, the communication will be going on continuously. Now at the last, they decide, let's we call to Akshara They decide, let's we call to Akshara, and then a phone call. We'll ask on phone call to her what we should give a gift to Pari. And then they phone call to Akshara's home. Then Akshara's mother have taken the phone, received phone call. Then her mother, yeah, hello, who is there? Prahlad will say, I'm Shripad. Sorry, Shripad will say, I'm Shripad, Akshara's friend. Then Akshara's mother will say, what do you want? Do you want to speak with Akshara? Then Shripad will say, yeah, I want to speak with Akshara. Is she there? Then her mother will say, yeah, she is there in her room, so let me call her. Then her mother will call, and then Akshara will come. Akshara will now on phone, and Shripad will ask, Akshara, do you know there is a birthday party at Pari's home, because Pari's birthday is there. So what we can give a gift to her? Then Akshara will say, let me give her a tab, mobile phone, tab, computer, laptop. These are the devices that we can give to her. Then Shripad will say, okay, what we do? Then we'll collect the money. Then Akshara will say, 1 minute, did you call to Sumaya? Then Shripad will say, no, I haven't called it. Then Akshara will say, okay, let it be there. Then Akshara will say, let me call to Sumaya. Then I'll ask to Sumaya what we do. Then she called to Sumaya, and then Sumaya will say, okay, I'm agree. Let's we give laptop to Pari. Okay. So then we all collect the money, and then we'll give the gift to Pari. Okay. So this is all the. Do not speak. This will be all the communication between you people. This is the conversation between all friends on birthday or birthday party. On this occasion that we can make the dialogues. Understand? Do you understand? Now you make your own dialogues between two friends. Now we have 10 minutes for writing the dialogue. You please write the dialogues on birthday party of our friend. They don't mention there your friend's name, but just okay, mention their friend's name. No, don't worry.
We can write title friends birthday party.
Yes, you can give the title Friends Birthday Party. Friends Birthday Party. And you communicate with your friend. Communication between both. Write the dialogues there.